Picture this. A customer lands on your store. They know exactly what they want. They type in summer dress for a beach wedding. They're ready to buy, and your store shows them absolutely nothing. The sale is lost, and the worst part, you probably had the perfect dress in stock the whole time.
So, what went wrong? Your standard WooCommerce search works like a simple keyword matcher. It's looking for those exact words in your product titles and descriptions. It doesn't understand context. It doesn't understand that a beach wedding implies a certain style, or that a summer dress is often called a sundress. It sees words, not meaning.
But what if your search bar had a brain? That's semantic search. Instead of just matching keywords, it understands the intent and context behind what your customer is asking. It knows that a search for a summer dress for a beach wedding is a hunt for something light, elegant, and informal. It connects the dots for you.
This is the power of semantic search. And this is what Beeking AI Search brings to your WooCommerce store. It replaces your store's limited keyword search with a powerful AI engine that delivers incredibly relevant results instantly. You provide a better customer experience, and your customer finds exactly what they want, fast. And the result? It's not just about one search, it's about turning browsers into buyers. Studies show that 79% of users will leave a website if they can't immediately find what they're looking for. By providing a smarter, more intuitive search, you dramatically increase conversion rates, you boost your average order value with relevant recommendations, and you build customer loyalty that lasts.
Stop losing sales to a search bar that doesn't get it. It's time to give your store the intelligence it deserves. See how Beeking AI Search can transform your store. Visit our website to learn more and see it in action.